So isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. It's me, Brother Drake, again and again. So yun, we believe na maganda ang gagawin natin today. Naniniwala po tayo na may gagawing himalang Diyos sa araw na to at syempre sa mga kabataang puntahan natin. So, we are very blessed because we have this kind of opportunity na makapagturo sa mga tao at lalo tigit sa mga kabataan. So, because we are inspired doing this not because we have a lot of strength but because our strength comes to Jesus. So, yun. I hope na makapunta yun. And then later, we're going to go to Rancho ni Mitra. Then you will see there the beautiful place. So, I am so very excited because first time ko makakapunta naman doon at with my friends, with my teachers of the Bible. So, God bless you. God bless you. See you later. Shalom, shalom.